Where? Here? Okay. Hi.
Take your temperature real quick.
Sure.
You're good to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right there. I'll take your picture with him.
Yeah.
That's cute. Yeah.
Right here. We will pass it there later. Come on first. Let's go. When we're going out, then we have to. Okay? And then here, we have to take here.
There's a ride that we can go on. It's free. We just hop on and it teaches you how they make the chocolate and all.
Really?
Yeah.
You have to pay for that?
No, I don't think so. I'm not sure if they're having it, but maybe they're not having it for social distancing. I'm not sure.
This is the chocolate shop here.
Yeah, Hershey's chocolate. This is where I want to get the Hershey with, you like the macadamia nuts? They have the Hershey Kisses with the macadamia nuts here. It's really good.
For that. Let's see. Look. Hershey's.
Sawa, they got these are the candy bars. They got the giant ones over here.
Oh,
You can
really?
see it. Oh my god, yeah.
Look. Some of this shirt and everything.
Yeah.
So huge. Look, they have kisses, pajamas,
Yeah.
shirts.
How are you?
Hello. Good. Look.
Look, this is the Reese's section. That's the Kisses section.
I know.
Yeah.
This is look like bars here. And then the same candy.
The loose
nice
candy.
thing. Yeah. Wow. Look.
Yeah.
2 for 36. Still expensive.
Well, that's a lot of bars in
Yeah.
there.
But it's cheaper in Sam's Club.
Maybe.
This is 2 for 10.
Yeah.
This is nice for sending Philippines. Is it? This is 5 for 20.
Right.
Hold on. Here is a bun.
This is the big one I brought.
Look. 2 for 20 only. So cheap.
You. Look,
What do you think?
that's the big one I brought you.
Yeah.
Remember?
Kisses. Still have here. This is 5 for 20. So cheap.
That's the mini one.
Yeah. Look. Cheaper no carbs. Wow.
Oh, that's the big one.
My God. Look at this.
Look, it's like this. Take it to you. It's the
Yeah.
size of your head. Hold on. Voila.
Oh my God. Maybe 10 persons or 8 persons can eat this. How about here? This section is Kit Kat. And the same here. This section is Kit Kat.
They've got the real big bars though somewhere, like the Hershey bars. The real big ones.
What is guys? What is this here?
Twizzlers, licorice.
It's like candy. Look. 2 for 20.
Yeah.
This is so cheap now, Kalbo. Oh, I thought it's
That's
2 bags.
pretzels. Pretzels.
No, I thought it's 2 boxes. This is so cheap now. Look. How many pounds?
2 pounds.
2 pounds.
1.38 ounces.
So this is more than 1 kg now. Yeah?
It's right about 1 kg.
1 kg.
Yeah. A little bit less than 1 kg.
Wow.
2 big peanut butter cups in there.
Yeah, look at this thing. Very nice. How about this one?
Jolly Ranchers. That's the hard candies to suck on.
This is Hershey's syrup.
Yeah.
Wow, look. Now chocolate.
That's one big bar.
How many? Oh, just one.
It's chocolate covered almonds.
Did I click it? Yeah, hindi ko. Oh yeah, I focused on it. This is nice. People keep buying, huh? We're going on the other side. This is really
Look, 1 pound bar of chocolate.
wow. Wow. How much is that? $10. This is the price.
This is the happy birthday bar. Yeah. This is the thank you bar. Yeah, I love you bar.
Wow, they have a socks too. Kit Kat socks, caps, shirts. There. And some stuffed toys. Calwas here. Look at this. Oh, look. Sorry. So hard to see here.